Hey, thanks for stopping by. I have a new way to boil eggs. A few years ago, I made a video about how to boil perfectly peelable eggs. It's 2022. Check out my new move on how to make perfectly peelable eggs. Watch. Do you see what I'm doing there? If you just drop the eggs in, let them crack a little bit, you're not going to lose a bunch of egg almost any of the time. And they will be so easy to peel. You don't need to give them ice baths. You don't need to put a timer on the stove. You can freestyle it. All you have to do is just when you drop it, let it crack a little bit. The eggshell it'll fall right off. It's incredible. You can peel eggs with one hand and the shell comes off so clean. This is by far, in my 41 years on this beautiful earth, this is by far the best method that I've been able to come up with of making easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. I don't time anything. I don't give ice baths. The only thing I will do, because they're too hot to handle right now, pardon the mess, I'm peeling potatoes, I'm doing all kind of cooking. I'll just add some tap water, just some cold tap water, and just let that sit in there just a little while so they're not so steamy hot. And then I can show you like I am right now. Just let it cool down for a couple minutes. Watch this. They're not the most beautiful eggs coming out of the pot, but did you see how the shell just fell off? It's incredible. Overcook them, undercook them. The shell is just ready to come off. Yeah, some of them look like they have some type of little cancer things growing out of them, but you're not losing any egg. It's all staying together. And you've just sped up the process of boiling eggs and peeling them like you wouldn't believe. Only drawback I can see is without the shell fully intact, maybe you can't leave these in the refrigerator as long. But usually when I hard boil eggs, I want them now. Thanks for watching. Watch another video. Watch another video. Please watch another video. Watch my videos. Watch one of those videos. Please. Sweet Jesus. Please. Sexy videos. I've got sexy videos. Watch those videos.